Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I installed this beautiful hot red wig, stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay, so the hair that we're going to be using today is from an Aliexpress company by the name of Luvmikerr. Don't quote me on the name, y'all. I ain't too good with pronouncing stuff. But whatever. So this wig is a 1B red wig. It's a 13 by 6 by 1 wig. It is a T-part wig where you can pretty much just part it down the middle. This is not a wig that is versatile. You cannot part this wig any way you want. You can only part it down the middle. But yeah, you guys, it has the typical stuff that a normal wig would have. Okay guys, so before we install a wig, you have to take care of your scalp and your own natural hair. So right now I am using my own hair growth oil. And again, I'm just putting that through my parts and all over my head, and I'm going to massage that in. And yeah, you guys, so right now we're using a boho lace gel to kind of lay back my edges, so when I do glue my wig down, that my edges can be nice and pushed back and I won't get any of the glue on my edges. Okay guys, so right now I'm just putting my stocking cap on, and if you have been watching my videos for a while, I really don't do the ball cap method anymore because I just used to hate how it left a mark after taking it off. But anyway, you guys, right now I'm using the new and exclusive lace tint mousse, and I'm pretty much putting that all over my cap to kind of tint the cap a little bit instead of using makeup. You don't have to use makeup anymore. Yeah, just purchase this new lace tint mousse. But if you guys want to know more about this lace tint mousse, I did do a detailed video showing you how I tint my wig, so I'll definitely leave a link up at the top and you guys can go back and check that video out. Okay guys, so look how beautiful and natural this wig look. When the wig came, it did not come pre-plucked, and I pretty much bleached the knots, did the pre-plucking, and also I did the baby hairs on the wig also. But right now, you guys, I'm just going to pretty much just fit this wig to my hairline and also cut off the lace. Okay guys, so we about to get ready to start gluing this bad boy down. So before we glue it down, you guys already know I always take 90% or 70% alcohol and wipe down my hairline to just get rid of any excess oils or any, dirt or anything that's on my hairline. So right now we're using my product, which is the Mean Grip skin protector, and you pretty much use this to protect your skin from the glue. So yeah, all I do is just spray that on my hairline and take the blow dryer and dry it, and then once it's dry, then we can prepare to put the glue on. Okay guys, so for the glue, as you know, I am using my own product, the Mean Grip Adhesive, and pretty much all I do is I put the glue onto my hairline and I pretty much smooth it out. And with any glue that you use, guys, you have to smooth this glue out completely so that it could dry clear. If it's not smoothed out evenly throughout the whole hairline and it have any type of lumps, bumps in the glue, it will not dry clear. So please make sure you smooth out the glue completely so that it could dry clear. But anyway, you guys, for the glue, I did use 3 layers. I always use 3 layers. I never ever use more than 3 layers. And usually 3 layers will last me 2 weeks or longer. Okay guys, so now that the glue is completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and place my wig on top of the glue. And then once I place the wig on top of the glue, all I'm going to do is gently massage the lace into the glue. And once you gently massage the lace into the glue, you can tie your hair up for about 10 minutes and let the melting process begin. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it when it comes to gluing down your wig system. Okay guys, so now that I let my lace melt for about 10 minutes, we're about to move on to the baby hairs. And right now, you guys, again, I'm using my new lace tinting mousse. So while I'm doing my baby hairs, I'm also tinting my lace to match my skin tone. And again, you guys, the perfect thing about this lace tint mousse, you can skip a couple of steps by not putting makeup on your lace, because using makeup with glue can like irritate your skin. But with this product, it's so much easier because not only is it's mousse and you can do your baby hairs with it, but at the same time it is tinting your lace to your skin tone. But again, if you want to learn more about this product, I do have a video up, and I will put it at the top of this video and also down in the description bar if you guys want to know more about this product. Okay Okay guys, so now that we're done with tinting the lace, as you can see, the lace and the wig match my skin perfectly. So right now I'm gonna just kind of take the hot comb and try to flat everything out. And once I'm done that, I'll be completely done with installing this system. Okay guys, so now that I'm done, here is the finished look of me installing this wig. If you guys want to see my thoughts on what I thought about this wig, please continue to watch. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to review some hair that I purchased from Aliexpress by the name of Luvmikerr, I think that's how you pronounce it. Luvmikerr fashionable colorful wigs. Don't quote me on that, y'all, because it was hard to pronounce that. But I'll put all the details in the description bar about this company. But yeah, I purchased this wig off of Aliexpress, and I purchased this wig. This will be my first time ever wearing a 13x6 T-part wig. So it's a 13x6x1, and they call it a T-part wig, meaning it's only made to be part in the middle. But it's a 13x6, meaning it goes completely across. But it's a 13x6 straight part, but it's a 1, and the part stops like right here. So yeah, this is my first time ever buying a wig like this. Actually, when I purchased it, I was a little skeptical to get a wig like that, but as I see, it's no different than having a 13x6, unless you want to like have a side part. If you want to have a side part and you don't like middle parts, then this wig is not for you. I'm okay with wearing middle part wigs, but overall, you guys, this hair actually came colored like this. I really didn't have to do any work. All I had to do was bleach the knots, which I did, and the knots bleached pretty quickly. I think it took me like maybe 20 minutes to bleach the knots. The hair was actually a 22-inch body weight wig, 250 density. But yeah, you guys, so overall, the inches on the wig, it definitely holds up to a 22-inch. Only concern that I have, I feel like it's not a 250 density wig, because I have had like 180 density wig, and this wig feels the same as if my 180 density wig. I was looking for this hair to be a little more thicker, that it states that it's 250 density, and to me it was not. It didn't feel like 250 density. Now I must admit, it's pretty thick going all the way down, but again, I was looking for this wig to be a little more thicker. Now you guys, since I've been wearing this wig, I have been experienced quite a few shedding. It's like, yeah, it was all on my clothes. It, like, when I brush it, it sheds. And I also, now the hair, don't get me wrong, the hair is like super duper soft, and when I flat ironed it, it flat ironed perfectly. But when, like, as me like running my hand through the hair, it does tingle quite a bit, especially like in the back area of the hair. But overall, if I had to rate this hair out of a 10, I would give this hair a 7, because I felt that it was not a 250 density wig, and at the same time, with the shedding that it's doing and also the tangling that it's doing, overall this wig did not have a smell to it. It came really soft, and the color was the color that it came in. That's how it was on the website, so I was okay with the color. Before is that, only issue that I'm having is the shedding and the little tangling that it's doing. But yeah, you guys, again, if you want to purchase this wig, again, be mindful that this is a 13 by 6 by 1. So it's a T-part wig. Only way you can part this hair is a middle part. If you like side parts or you like to be versatile with your parting, then this wig is not for you. But you guys, I'm going to leave all the specs of this wig in the description bar if you are interested in purchasing this wig. And yeah, you guys, I think that's it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you enjoy me installing this wig and my thoughts on this wig, definitely hit that like button and also share this video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.